Morning, and thanks for watching this video from Dubbers Sports in Huddersfield. So here we've got a 2007 Audi A6 that's just come in. So this is a 2-litre TDI manual. Just got two former keepers, which for 2007 cars, quite good. Just been serviced by us and we've just put brakes all round. It's got matching Continental tyres. There's a full-size spare wheel with a Continental tyre as well. You can see the brand new brake discs on the back. For a 2007 black car, I think it's in quite good shape. Although it's not the estate one, you still get quite a big boot. Goes really deep in there. So as with all our cars, it'll have 12 months MOT. Quite a nice spec on this one. So it's got auto lights, factory sat nav, Bluetooth for your phone, cruise control, multifunction steering wheel. Exact mileage now is 77423. Interior is nice and tidy. Couple of marks on the wheels if you wanted to be super fussy, but they do look presentable. Got parking sensors front and rear as well, and they show up on the display on the MMI in the centre console. As with all our cars, if you've got any questions, if there's any other photos or any information you want to know about the history or anything, give us a call, drop us an email, or if you want to book a test drive, again, just make an appointment, bring your driving licence and we can let you take it out. Thanks for watching.